Makaih.
Drop.
Hey guys, welcome back to 520 Speedworks. This is the wrecked Cobra project part 11. There we go. Got it right this time. So, as you can see, we've got our metal cutting tools. So this episode is going to be all about getting the aluminum on this car. So we're going to start putting in floor pans. We're going to try to get foot boxes made today. So that's what we're going with. You're going to see us put our nice little shear together. Yeah, we're going to use brakes. We're going to use tin snips, shears, cutters, all that kind of good stuff. So hang out with us. Thank you for showing up. Please watch, please enjoy, and let's get started.
The handy dandy 8-foot brake.
Are you using for like what, 6 inches?
No. 12. Watch stuff.
Alright, so let's...
Greg.
All right, guys, here we go. So we just got the floorboard put in and bent. So in solid, clecoed, all that good stuff. We have our new front piece We left out some of the factory holes because we don't need them because we're not going to use them. So what this is now setting us up for is we are going to open up, because it's all been on this project about opening up the foot area in here. So the old one comes through here and it's really tight and then it goes over. Well, we've got all this dead space, so what we're going to do is we're going to build a panel that comes straight over here like this to open up all of this foot box. So that's the piece that we're about to make. We're going to go make it, and then we're going to have to make a top piece. So let's get it done. It's the only way we do it at 5 Speedworks.
There's the right way, and then there's the Greg way. Greg's OCD only lets it do it one way.
Only one way.
Can we make a wall of shame for all the
I'm
schools?
going to put 400 clicos in this right now because we can. Okay.
Just to piss everyone off?
Yeah, just because
We got him.
we got them right now. We'll have to like steal some because we have a lot, but we don't have
900.
like a million of them. All right, guys. Next up on the agenda is we are going to do our heimed conversion to our lower control arms. So we have one lower control arm that's bent. Right now, we're going to straighten that out, and then we're going to go. We're going to weld on some. We're going to weld on some 1.25 inch Dom tubing, and our heim bungs into that. And then we're going to weld that onto our arms, and we're going to get this thing all freed up so it can be silky smooth in the front end with heims instead of these bushings that get all bound up. So here we go. All right. guys, so there we go. There's the first one made. Took a little while to get it done, but Adam and I, we knocked this one out of the park. It is beyond what we expected it to be. So we're gonna make another one tomorrow. Enjoy some fireworks at the same. Well, no fireworks our way. No, but whatever. 4th of July, beer, hamburgers, the other control arm. So we'll see you guys then. Bye. All right, guys, we are taking a break from the pool. As you can see, we still got our swimsuits on, basically dried off. What we're gonna work on now is we need to re-drill. I don't know if you can see this down here. We'll show it to you. But we need to re-drill the holes for the AR mounting brackets. As you can see, there we go. Adam's gonna get down here. So right down here, we need to re-drill these. And we actually need to drill new holes in here for that. So we just finished our lower control arm mod, which we put heims into the lower control arms. So now we got our measurement tools out, and we're going to measure this. So here we go. We gotta get back to the pool and the beer.
Yeah?
Yeah?
What?
That's sick.
Dude, they're fucking perfect, dude. They're not even like off center. I think it's gonna be rocket perfect. As soon as we lock down the bolt won't spin no more. It'll just be on the hind. And then it should have a real solid hack out feel to it.
Dude, they look sick.
Righteous, dude. That looks freaking
Look how good those look.
dope as heck, dude.
Beef, pig. Heck yeah. Beefcake. Alright guys, welcome back. So it is smoking hot here in Arizona. It's what, 108 today? 108. We've already been in the pool once. What we're doing here is, as you can see, we got our awesome 520 heimed lower control arms. So we got those things finished and mocked up. What we're gonna do now is we're gonna finish mocking up the front suspension. So we're gonna hang the uppers, get the spindles on, And that's where we're going to start. So here we go, guys. Now when we finally get it. All right, another hot
108.
day. 108 degrees. In here, it's probably 105, I would guess.
Yeah, it's pretty hot.
So warm, but man, Adam and I on this 4th of July weekend, we knocked it out of the park. So we got some really exciting things. Front suspension is hung on the car. It's
like,
on. It's on.
Yeah, we were just talking like this was mangled to nothing, and here it is. It's all back together.
On. It all is straight and functioning. We've got our 520 Speedworks lower control arms.
Awesome modification.
Awesome mods. Awesome mods. Took a little thinking. You guys will see that in this video. But yeah, so for those of you guys that are sticking around with us, awesome. We appreciate it. Give us a like. Give us some comments. For those of you that haven't subscribed, please subscribe and follow this journey along with us. After this one, there'll be more to come. So it'll be a good thing for you to subscribe. Don't forget, merch. I mean, we have sweat stands on this one. The merch stuff is clean and ready to go and ship. But get online, 520 Speedworks, get you some merch. So have a good 4th of July or whatever's coming up next. So we'll see you guys later.
Be safe, everyone.